Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show how the amount can be transferred from the funding wallet to the spot wallet in your Binance account. This transfer can be done via your computer and you can also do it by using the Binance application present on your mobile device. In this video, I'm going to discuss how it needs to be done on the computer. You have to log in to your Binance account and then click on the funding option which you will be getting from here. Click on wallet, then fiat and spot. When you will click on this, the window will open which will have the options for the transfer. So you have the money in the funding. From funding you have to transfer it to your fiat account. So here on the funding you will see whichever amount you want to transfer. For that, on the extreme right hand side you will see three dots. Click on three dots and then click on transfer. So this is the option you have to select. As you can see on the screen, now this is an internal transfer. There would be no fee that you have to pay for this. And from where? So here it currently shows from spot to funding, but we want to do the vice versa. We have to transfer it from funding to spot in this situation. Although it can be done in both the way, like if you have to transfer from funding to fiat and spot, or you want to transfer from spot to the funding account, this method will remain same. This is how you have to do it. So here I can select, currently I have 100 USD, but I don't want to transfer all of them because I will require some amount, so that I can also showcase how it needs to be done on the cell phone as well, on the mobile device. So I'm just going to select 40 USDT and I'm going to click on confirm in order to transfer the amount. But before doing that, I would really like you to show you how much amount I already have in the spot balance, so that when the amount is being added we can understand. So here currently it shows 120.25. So if I'm adding 40 USDT, the amount will change, it will become 160. So let's see what happens. I'm clicking on confirm. Perfect. Here on the right hand side, transfer has been successful. And see here, the amount has also been reduced. Right now, how much do I have? It's 60. Earlier it was 100. Now I'm going into the spot balance. It hasn't refreshed, so I'm going to refresh the page and see. Perfect. So see, now it shows 160 USDT. So the amount has changed. Alright. So this is how you can transfer the amount from the funding account to the spot. Perfect. It's done. Now I'm going to add a card on the screen. Click on the card and you will be taken to the video which will tell you how you can transfer the amount from the funding to the spot account on your mobile device which got the Binance application.